today, we are going to eat a lot of street food. Naples street food. Let's go. Here's some street food. Appetizing. What is this right here? Oh, okay. That looks good.
What's everyone's favorite? What's the top seller?
For me, pasta with cheese.
Pasta
Ooh,
with
pasta
cheese?
with cheese. Okay. Let's try one of those. And then I'll try one of these. Here we go. Have to dig in. Which one are you going to try first? What is this that you're about to
This is the pasta and cheese.
eat? Oh my goodness. Wow.
Stick food. It's like fried pasta and cheese. It's so gooey and creamy and tasty. It's like the first part of the bite is like the hard fried part, and then you get to the creamy cheesy pasta inside, and it's like hot and warm.
Oh my god. That's like straight up macaroni and cheese and a fried pastry. This tastes like Thanksgiving. This is a rice and meatball. Oh my goodness. This is so good.
What do you like better?
This is like this is more of like a tomato base. I think I'm gonna go for this one. Out of those two, I like the flavor profile of this. What do you think?
I think the other one's better because it's fried. It's baked.
Uh-huh.
I like the fried one.
What are these here? Okay.
What's it like a
Sponge ball and with the rum.
Oh, sponge with rum.
Okay.
Can we try it?
Like rum.
You don't like rum? Okay.
This is sfogliatella.
Okay.
Very little.
Oh, okay. This one here?
One, this soft. Inside you got the cheese, fruit, lemon, orange.
Okay. I'll try one of those. Yeah. That one's like fruity. And what else?
You want this?
Yeah.
Or that? Or...
And we'll have one of these here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we had something salty. Now we gotta finish it off with something sweet. These look like little donuts, mini donuts. How cute are they? Okay. You know what they taste like? Corn nuggets. Like the cereal.
Really?
I was expecting them to be like a donut, but they're a lot more like hard and crispy than a donut. They're like little nuggets. Next.
Are these edible?
Yeah, those are edible. Let's see what they taste like. Here, let me get a close up.
That's not edible.
Yeah, it is. They're little candies. They're super hard candies, though.
Yeah, I'm like cracking my teeth.
I can't chew these.
It's like plastic.
Okay. You have to suck on those. They're not really practical. This?
What is it?
I don't know.
What did he say it was though?
He said that it's full of fruit, lemon, and just different fruits.
inside the ricotta cheese, candy fruit, lemon, orange.
Maybe it's fruit flavor. I was expecting there to be like fruit inside, but it's like a lemon flavor. It's really baked on the outside. The inside is like super gooey. And I think this is like cheese. It's like a lemon cheese. This is so good. This might be my favorite thing so far.
It's so like, so smooth tasting, right?
Smooth, yeah.
I don't know if that's cheese on the inside. Earlier today I said I'm not really a big fan of cheese snacks, but it's good.
You thought you weren't. How can you not like cheese?
I'll just hold up.
You gotta save room. No.
That is, it's so warm and gooey on the inside. And like not too sweet, you know? I could eat 2 or 3 of those for like a meal. Just fine.
A big thumbs
I
up.
would recommend that. 10 out of 10.
Now you know what to expect.
These are a letdown.
They're prettier than they taste, huh?
Yeah, these look better than they taste.
Just one more bite. I'm done. Ooh, it's a fly. The fly wants it more. Okay, stop. Oh, great. Coffee break.
It's
Look
good
how
now.
frothy this is. With the pistachio. So beautiful. We got this. It's called, I'm going to try to pronounce it, Ripieno. That is my best effort. On the menu, it looks like a calzone, and they split it into 2. This thing is thick. That is a big empty batch. That is so cheesy. Makes me want to dance.
It's like pizza, but instead of dough, it's cheese. It makes your like your soul warm. You know what I mean? It's really good.
That is good. The mozzarella here is like nothing else I've ever tasted. Alright. Can I get one of these? One of these? Yes. So we found this area that has all the good stuff. I mean, it's treats galore. But first up is these little mini pancakes with Nutella. And they are hot and fresh. Woo! That's good. I mean, you can't go wrong with pancakes and Nutella and powdered sugar. What else do we have in this bag of treats?
Whoa, what is that?
I really
Pistachio?
have no idea. I just picked out a bunch of different ones.
Looks like pistachio.
I think that this is pistachio. Whoa.
What is it?
Surprise! I'm not sure yet. I think this is lime. This is lime and nuts.
You good?
There's a bit of a flavor that is I'm not quite sure if I'm digging yet.
Is it avocado?
You give it a go. It tastes, you know what it tastes like? It has kind of a licorice taste to it. And I'm not a huge licorice fan, but that's the best way I can describe that flavor. Chicken. Does it taste like licorice to you?
That's definitely pistachio, right? I think it's like a pistachio. I think it's pistachio flavored.
That's it?
All around, yeah, it's just pistachio flavored.
We have different taste buds, I think.
Definitely not lime.
Look how cute that is. It has a little, maybe a cherry or an apricot in the center.
Good.
That was very fruity. This one's much better. I like this. Look how moist that is.
I like that. That was good. Like, I don't know what you're saying, moist. Like the texture's really good.
Yeah.
It's not too sweet. It's hitting just right. It's moist.
And there's powdered sugar all over the camera right now. Save the best for last. This is what I really have my eye on. Okay. Yeah, holy cannoli. Like it. Should name a shop like that, right? I bet there's one already out there. Look at that. Which side should I go for?
Chocolate.
Any, mini, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. Oh, whatever.
Get it. Get it, girl.
That is the best. It's so creamy. And the pastry is so crunchy. They just blend so well together. It's like an ice cream. It's almost like a waffle cone. The cream's cold right now, yeah. That is great. I'm gonna have to save this one.
It's feeling like work.
The struggle's real over here.
Just take a bite. We'll save it for later.
This is like a fried donut.
Well, okay, I guess we're not saving it.
Let's go. I never had this. A waffle cone donut with, it's like a waffle cone with donut cream on the inside and chocolate chips.
Okay, I guess I'll just have to go buy me another one for later because I don't think you're stopping.
There, I'll stop.
Ooh, I'm sugared out. Now I need to eat a salad and go for a run.